Hi everyone. In this video, let us learn how to extract the data from a data set which is given in a horizontal manner. In the previous video, we have used Hlookup formula in order to extract the data which is related to the product ordered by the name of the client. So the name of the client was mentioned to us and product ordered we have found using Hlookup formula. In this and the current case, there is a difference. In the previous one, the data is given in a vertical manner. That means in each row, there is data related to a particular client. And if you shift the row, you will find another client and its details. Whereas in this case, the data related to the client is given in a vertical manner. That is, each column consists of data related to one client, and you have to shift column wise in a horizontal manner in order to search the data we are looking for in the set. So here you have to use the Hlookup formula because you have to travel horizontally is equal to Hlookup bracket open. You have to give the lookup value. This is the client name we are looking for, comma table array. So starting with the client name up to the date of dispatch, 4 rows we have selected, comma row index from which you have to pick the value. So we need date of dispatch which is in first, second, third and fourth row. So you have to write here 4, comma you have to look for the exact match. So you have to select false and bracket close, enter. So this is the date of dispatch for this client. Now here pay attention what happens if I use the fill handle, double click. I don't get any values. So why this is happening? Because the range which you have given here is 3 to 6 and here it is relating it and it is taking a relative reference. So it shifts because the client name has been shifted by one row. So the data is assuming your range shifts by one row. So that's not the case. What you have to do, you have to select this. You have to press F4 or F4 in such a way that $sign appears here and you have to press enter. Once you do it, just delete these values and now use the fill handle. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.